The inlets echo to the sound of a mysterious song. A curtain of bubbles and a haunting call hold the secret to an ingenious way of fishing. This is bubble net feeding. A dozen whales work together to harvest the herring bonanza. Such fishing requires an extraordinary level of intelligence and cooperation. The lead whale dives first. She is the bubble blower. It's her job to find the fish. The rest follow in formation. Each takes exactly the same position in every lunge. Once she's located the fish, the leader blows a net of bubbles that completely encircles the shoal. Another whale calls to synchronize the group. Panicked by the eerie sound and the blinding bubbles, the fish won't cross this fizzing curtain. As few as 100 humpbacks have learned how to feed as a team like this. And this is the only place on the planet where whales fish in this way.